Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lacombe sits in the heart of central Alberta, located between Red Deer and Edmonton. Today, visitors notice its tree-lined streets, historic buildings, and a pace of life that feels connected to both past and present. But to understand Lacombe, it helps to look back to its beginnings, when this area was shaped by Indigenous peoples long before European settlement. Before the arrival of settlers, the land around Lacombe was part of the traditional territory of Indigenous nations, including the Cree. They traveled these plains for generations, following seasonal patterns and living closely with the land. In the late 19th century, the expansion of the Canadian Pacific Railway and the promise of farmland began drawing settlers westward. By the 1880s, homesteaders were arriving, and a small but growing community began to take shape. Lacombe was officially established in 1891 and named after Father Albert Lacombe, a Roman Catholic missionary known for his work with Indigenous communities and early settlers in Alberta. The town quickly became an important service center for the surrounding agricultural region. Farming was the backbone of the local economy, with wheat, barley, and livestock driving growth. As more families arrived, businesses, schools, and churches followed, turning the settlement into a thriving prairie town. One of the defining features of Lacombe today is its remarkable collection of historic buildings. Many structures from the early 1900s are still standing and in use, giving the downtown a distinctive character. Edwardian-style architecture is especially prominent, with red brick facades and detailed cornices that reflect the optimism of a growing community at the time. Walking through the streets, it's easy to imagine what life looked like here over a century ago, when horse-drawn wagons and early automobiles shared the roads. Education has also played an important role in Lacombe's history. In 1912, the town became home to what is now Furman University, one of Canada's oldest Seventh-day Adventist post-secondary institutions. The presence of the school brought students, educators, and new ideas into the community, helping shape its identity beyond agriculture. Over the years, this balance between rural tradition and educational influence has given Lacombe a unique character among small Alberta cities. Like many prairie communities, Lacombe faced challenges through the 20th century. The Great Depression of the 1930s affected farmers and businesses alike, testing the resilience of the town. Later, shifts in agriculture and the broader economy required adaptation. Despite these challenges, Lacombe continued to grow steadily, supported by its location along major transportation routes and its strong community spirit. In more recent decades, Lacombe has become known for its efforts to preserve its heritage while embracing growth. The city has invested in maintaining its historic downtown and promoting tourism, inviting visitors to experience its blend of history and small-town charm. Events, local markets, and community gatherings reflect a place that values connection and tradition. At the same time, new developments and services show that Lacombe is not standing still. Today, Lacombe offers a glimpse into Alberta's past while remaining firmly rooted in the present. It's a place where history is visible in everyday surroundings, from preserved buildings to the layout of its streets. For travelers passing through or spending time here, Lacombe provides a quieter perspective on the province, one shaped by agriculture, resilience, and a strong sense of community that continues to define it.